If you're unfamiliar with dry transfers or how they are applied, just give me a couple minutes of your time, and by the end, you'll feel like an expert. A dry transfer is a sheet of type, logos, or artwork, which can be rubbed off the transfer slick and adhere to any surface. Substrates can include prototypes, walls, paper, essentially anything. A very common uses for transfers is in developing professional-looking prototypes. Our company, Image Transfers, creates custom dry transfers from your artwork, or we can develop artwork for you. We produced a two-color transfer of our logo art to demonstrate the application process, matching Pantone system colors of PMS 137 orange and 432 gray. The whole process is very simple. All of our transfers come with a protective backing sheet. Remove that sheet and use scissors or an X-Acto knife to cut out the image you want to use. This way you can't accidentally transfer images adjacent to it. We recommend our clients gang up artwork since our pricing goes by size area. If the artwork is ganged, you will also have extra images in case you mess up. Make sure your surface is clean and free of dust and debris. Place the transfer over the substrate on which you want it to adhere. Use a burnisher or a dull number 2 pencil. You don't want to use anything too sharp because you want to smoothly rub the artwork off the sheet. Once you start the application, you will actually see the image start to release from the slick and start to lay down on the surface. After application, and to help keep the transfer from coming off, rub the protective backing sheet on top of the transferred image. That's it! You just transferred your first dry transfer. Image Transfers produces the best product you will find anywhere. We have been producing transfers for nearly 50 years, with a constant focus on using the highest quality products. If you are not fully satisfied with your order, we will do it again free of charge. In our Brooklyn-based studio, all we do are transfers, and we are very good at it. People always ask what surfaces our transfers can be used on. In addition to being used by model makers, they have been applied to museum walls, book bindings, prototypes, beauty boxes, guitar necks, hand-painted clock faces, even refurbished electronics where the original logo art was not in good shape. Transfers can be used for photo shoots, test marketing a product, and of course creating a full, realistic-looking product before it goes to production. Turnaround is quick. If your artwork is in before 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, we will put it into FedEx that day to be in your hands the next morning. We look forward to creating a dry transfer for you soon.